Hi everyone, for all those OnePlus 2 lovers out there, here I have the latest OS and its features for you. The latest OS was released about 20 hours ago, just 20 hours ago. It's OxygenOS 3.5.5, you can see right here, OxygenOS 3.5.5. Based on Android Marshmallow itself, there's no change. It's still not now yet. Okay, and the kernel version is 3.10. That's it. And with the new update you have several new features. You have an improved shelf, and here's improved location. It was AccuWeather in the previous OS, and you have VoLTE support, and that's one of the most awaited feature. You have your volt. Okay, and so I'll be taking you with the entire features of the phone, what you can see, what you can have, what you can expect from the new OS, and also the few bugs that I have found while I have used it. And I'm not so sure about the battery performance because I haven't used it for that long. I just charged it once and now it's 16%. Yeah, for 20 hours, and I haven't used it much, so I don't know much about the battery. I was speaking about the rest. So let's start from the system updates. This is what you see on the system updates. A bit more customizable with new settings. With local upgrade, you can directly do the local upgrade from here instead of going with the recovery. That's a feature that has been added. Now Wi-Fi, now it's the same, and Bluetooth, SIM and networks in which you have preferred network type. You do not have an LTE only option, that's missing. 2G, 3G, 2G, 3G, 4G and 2G only options. You have just three of them. And volt support. Okay, that's good. And the data usage, that's just the same thing. No NFC support yet. I don't know whether it will support, maybe in the Nougat. And alerts ladder. Here there has been a new thing, that is, even in the silent mode you cannot turn off the alarms will be always on. In the latest build, alarms cannot be turned off. In the 3.10 you could actually turn off the alarm. There was an option like that. Now we don't have it. Okay, and disturb mode, you can change it. There's a lot of customizations. Disturb access. Then the ringer mode is just the same. Then the buttons, okay, it's the same thing. I don't know how much change out there, but here you will find an option missing. That's the customizations option, which was found in the 3.10. It's been changed under display. The theme and the accent color are changed within the display. Okay, and gestures, the same gestures, and you have your three additional gestures: flip to mute, three finger screenshot, and a pocket mode. You can actually have the three finger screenshot is working. Okay, now in display, adaptive brightness, sleep, night mode. This is a new feature. You can have a new night mode out there. It's quite useful. And theme, you can have dark, light and default theme. The light theme, everything is bright, and I prefer dark theme. It uses less battery, of course. And there you have a color balance. I'm not messing up with that now. And here is the accent color. This is where the OxygenOS is quite messed up. we don't have the red color which was there in the 3.10. We have about 8 different options here, but it's not clear. I'll just show you. It's not clear in the video right there. Okay, we have the green, yellow, orange, the default blue, sky blue, purple, mm, and then what's this color? I just can't make it out. It's a vibrant red, but it's not red actually. And then you have a pink. That are the colors. That are the accent colors you can find here. It's 8 of them, but I love the red color which was actually seen in the 3.1. We don't have that here, so that's quite a mess according to me for all those red lovers actually. And font size, you can change the font size, and that's a great option that you have right here. Then proximity sensor wake up, daydream, pulse notification, LED notifications. Again, you have a lot of customization with LED notifications. You have 8 colors there too, and then cast. That's all about the display. Now about sound, it's the same thing, not much difference. Notifications, and that to have app notifications with app settings. Not much to say about that. Battery, it's a better interface actually, and we have the battery percent after a very long time. We can enable battery percent, that's a good thing. Battery circle, battery hidden. We had 6 options, or actually 5 options, and now it's 3. And this is the battery saver and battery optimization. We have the same thing in 3.102. Storage memory, here we have a changer interface with both memory and storage. It's 1.5 GB. That's a lot less than 3.10. 3.1 Oxygen OS used about 1.8 GB. And that's the internal storage. We can change the OTG preference here itself. And then the users, that's the same. Apps, location, security, and fingerprint. Here you have the new app locker. Okay, you can actually lock the apps using fingerprint, and that's a cool feature from the MIUI actually. MIUI first brought it, and I have seen the MIUI devices only. And you have the encrypt phone feature, even though Marshmallow doesn't support it in most of the phones. Okay, and here you have language and input, date and time settings, and here you have a new advanced set of settings. That's a new thing. You have scheduled power on and off, and the recent apps management, where you have normal clear and deep clear. Now the options are separate, as you can see. In the previous version it was 3 options: the settings, normal, deep clear, and normal clear. But deep clear is actually hibernating the apps. Now you can choose among one, that's all. Okay, now that's about the settings. In developer options, the most awaited DOS mode is back. That's very good. And the game mode, the rest is just the same things, nothing much about that. Now that are the customizations, but actually it's quite smooth. There's no problem in using it, but I don't see any customizations with this thing, as you can do with the OnePlus 3. And the notification bar, it's a nougat type. Here you have the quick settings, and then you can edit this. You can add some options like battery saver, switch data card, VPN, etc., where you can edit it. That's not much useful, but you can't add more than 9 titles. That's quite irritating. For example, I need all those and I also need the hotspot, but I can't add it. It's not that good, but still okay. And here you have the all new calculator from OnePlus. It's actually the Google calculator, just we have a change in color. It's a bit yellow here and Google is blue, that's all. And improved clock, nothing much. Okay, and then the file manager is improved, it's better than ever. You can just see it. Category storage, that's a good one. And the music app, the all new music app from OnePlus, that's it. But the irritating feature is that the play music is still there, and two music apps. It's not required. I actually want to remove this, but it's uninstallable. System app only. So I can mess up with that. Okay. Now the night screen will not be required anymore. You have an inbuilt feature out there. And then we have the weather. This is a new application. OxyNoise 3.1 used AccuWeather, and now it's a new application out there. Okay, even though NavGet features are already incorporated, we don't have multitasking. That is a problem. We don't have multitasking yet. Hope we'll get in another quarter. And for all those audio lovers out there, we don't have any music tuner. No Max Audio, nothing. The Viper Audio doesn't work with this OxygenOS. And AudioFX too is want to disrupt the audio. So no luck with that. And now about the reboot. Yeah, it's actually changed a bit. And in reboot you have three things. If I just click on the recovery, it's improved interface. The recovery is not improved. It's still the version 1.0. You can see it right here. The rebooting time has increased significantly with the new update. It's taking a bit more time. That's all with the new update that the OnePlus has brought to its OnePlus 2. The best part is that it's running on 355, which is the latest OxygenOS, but still it lacks customizable features, which OnePlus 3 has, even though it's running on OxygenOS 3.4. And also the interface is, even though it's smooth, it got lags, slight lags, even the boot animation. And there are no much changes. Naturally, except the Volt support, which is a great thing, and also the game mode and the DOS mode. But I quite don't know how the battery is, and I think I will use it for a few more days and update how the battery works in the new system update. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. If you like the video, please click on subscribe and please like it, of course, and I will see you with the next. Thanks.